Hey everyone! Welcome back to AI Cashflow Lab, where we help you turn AI into serious cash. Today we're diving into something crucial, crypto safety tips. With the rise of digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, scammers and hackers are getting smarter. But don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to protect your funds with a step-by-step guide. Let's get started. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We're dropping new videos every week to help you crush your AI income goals. Now, let's jump into the first tip. First up, use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication. A strong password should be at least 12 characters long with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using common phrases or personal information. For extra security, enable two-factor authentication on all your crypto accounts. This adds a second layer of protection, making it much harder for hackers to access your funds even if they guess your password. Apps like Google Authenticator or Authy are great for this. Next, keep your private keys secure. Your private keys are like the keys to your crypto vault. If someone gets them, they can steal your funds. Here's what to do. Never store your private keys digitally. Avoid saving them on your computer or phone. Write them down on paper and store them in a safe, offline location, like a fireproof safe. Consider using a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor for added security. Third, be wary of phishing attacks. Scammers often send fake emails or messages, pretending to be from legitimate sources like exchanges or wallets. Here's how to stay safe. Double-check the sender's email address. Scammers often use addresses that look similar to real ones. Never click on suspicious links. Always type the website URL directly into your browser. Enable anti-phishing codes on platforms like Binance for an extra layer of protection. Finally, stay informed about current threats. Scammers often exploit vulnerabilities in popular platforms before they're patched. Here's how to stay ahead. Follow trusted crypto news sources like CoinDesk or CryptoSlate. Join online communities like Reddit's r/cryptocurrency to stay updated on scams and hacks. Regularly check for security updates from your wallet or exchange. So there you have it. 4 essential crypto safety tips to protect your funds from scammers and hackers. Remember, crypto security is never 100% guaranteed, but following these steps will greatly reduce your risks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. And please share this with friends and family who might need these tips too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember, at AI Cashflow Lab, we're all about turning AI into cash flow. Stay safe, and see you next time.